Everyone, welcome again to another segment of Jamaica Caana. Today we are in the beautiful state of Michigan in Detroit. We'll be meeting up with restaurant owner Rose. She owns the Jamaican Pot. Today happens to be a very special day for her because it's coming now 2 days before Christmas, and she will be feeding the homeless, and today is a day that I would never miss for the world. So this is the authentic Jamaican food. You can find it here in Detroit, Michigan. Come with me. Hi everyone, this is Rose, the owner of the Jamaican Pot restaurant here in Detroit, Michigan. Hi Rose.
Hi, how are you?
Doing today?
Good, good.
Pleasure meeting you.
Me too.
We spoke on the phone. My name is Lyndon from Jamaica Caana YouTube, and when we spoke, you know, I could not miss this for the world. Because when you mentioned that today is a special day for your restaurant, you've always wanted to do something special for the folks that are living around, and today is that day.
Yep.
That is correct. That is correct.
Oh, yeah.
So, just update that. How long have you been operating here?
4 years.
4 years. Okay, good. And is this your first time owning a restaurant?
Well, I had a restaurant. It was like in a flea market in Atlanta, Georgia, New
Okay.
York.
Okay.
But this is my first time owning a real restaurant.
Oh, I see. Okay. Okay. So, what made you want to, be in the restaurant?
You know what? It was really my husband.
Okay.
Because when I cooked, he used to love my food, and he used to be like, Rose, I think we should open up a restaurant. And I used to say to him, babe, I don't know how to cook for a lot of people. I just know how to cook for the home.
Okay.
And he said, why don't you just try it and see what happens?
Yeah.
And then he take my food to the mall to give it to the mall manager,
Okay.
and he was raving about it. And he said, I have a spot for you guys in the flea market. So he said, let's do it, babe. And I said, okay, I'll give it a try. And I give it a try, and I never turned back. And the reason why I wanted to do the restaurant too, I love to help people, and I don't really want to work for anybody for the rest of my life.
There you go. Now, you told me you're from Jamaica.
Yes.
Where in Jamaica are you from?
Westmoreland.
You're from Westmoreland. Does anything on your menu remind you of your childhood back home, like any food that you love?
The food, the jerk chicken, the curry chicken, because my grandmother used to make it, and she made the best curry chicken.
Okay, so that's what motivated you?
Yes, and I was cooking since I was 8 years old, so, I'm like, I love to cook.
All right.
I put a lot of passion into it.
Okay.
I don't just cook because of, to make money.
You cook with love.
I cook with love. I put the love in it.
That is correct. Now you mentioned that today is a special day.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about what's really happening today?
Okay, we here at the Jamaican Pot, every 2 weeks we go down to the Grand River and Lasher.
Okay.
We set the table up at the corner of the street and we feed the homeless. And not really homeless and the needy. So I always wanted to do something like this to kind of give back to the community and help, all people. So I decided that one day I'm going to do this. But before I didn't have the money, but today God been blessing us, so I just want to give back to the community.
Amazing, amazing. So I noticed you've got some gifts today. These are, who will be the...
We have gifts for boys, girls, unisex, right here.
Girls, okay.
Boys in the middle, and then we have unisex.
Okay.
So you see, it's more girls than boys.
That's okay, that's okay. That's a good thing, man. It's amazing.
Yes.
We like that. You also mentioned to me that I think in February you'll be opening
New location.
a new location.
Down in Midtown,
Wow.
the new center area.
Okay, you got the date?
I want to open by February, but let's pray about it.
Okay.
Because I always pray about everything. I just
You
leave
know
it
what?
to God.
Yes, I would like to be there. That's,
Yes.
that's
Oh
great.
yes,
There
you're
you
gonna be
go.
one of my special VIP.
Okay, great, great, great. Now, you mentioned that your chef is also from Jamaica?
He's from Jamaica.
Okay.
He's from OG.
Okay, what's your race? Okay, so everyone please excuse the rush. Today's a busy place at the Jamaican Pot. And here we are with Chef Wayne with a lovely display of the food that will be served today.
Yeah, and this one is the Jamaican jerk chicken, rice and peas, cabbage and plantain. Delicious. represent the red, green, and gold.
There you go. All right. Okay. And what do we have over here, Wayne? Okay, we can just.
Over here we have a tender oxtail, rice and peas, plantain, and cabbage.
Okay, and all will be served today.
Yes.
Good. And what do we have here?
And over here we have the curry goat, rice and peas, cabbage, and plantain, delicious to the bone.
So this is the pre-Christmas dinner.
Yes.
And any of this food here, Wayne, reminds you of your childhood growing up? I was told you're from Honduras.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any of this food?
All of these food
Yeah.
is what I grew up on from a kid,
Okay.
from in the 60s.
Okay. All right.
So we represent the same thing in Jamaica Pot, nowhere else in the world but Jamaica Pot. In Michigan, 8 Mile, food always nice down to the bone.
Now I noticed that you've got some drink, Island Farms.
Yes.
Yeah, come on, Uncle George.
And these drinks are made by Uncle George?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Uncle George, tell us about your drink.
All this was that we seen all that 10 years ago.
Yes.
I come across it because we used to these.
Okay.
These type of drink from back home.
Okay.
So I decided to serve it here. So
Alright.
a lot of people they just love it. So I said to myself, yeah, sell it. So I found a company.
So which of these drinks is a favorite of all your drinks?
You know, passion fruit.
Passion or ginger and passion. Okay. This is the drink for this time of the year, sorrel.
That is so. Yes.
This is a Jamaican drink. And folks, I would like for you to try this drink. It's authentic Jamaican. Hibiscus is a flower that we are all familiar with in Jamaica. But the blend, I have never had it, but this is something that I would like to try because I know this will be very extraordinary. Anything else that you'd like to share with us about growing up back home?
Well, as I said again, I like the juice I used to get those juice.
Where in Jamaica are you from?
Kingston.
It's in Jamaica. Okay. Alright, and how long have you been living here in Michigan?
25 years.
25 years. Okay. Anything you miss about home?
Yes.
What do you miss about home?
Sunlight. That's it, no more.
I know, especially this time of the year.
Yeah.
You know, because in Jamaica is different from anywhere else. That is correct. That's correct. Well, pleasure meeting you. All the best with the business.
Alright, thank you.
Okay. Folks, it's been a pleasure being here today with Rose. And as I've said before, it's a very special day because it's 2 days before Christmas. And what this restaurant is doing and what it does represent in this community is amazing. So Rose, I just want you to tell the people where you can be found, your address, what's on
Okay.
the agenda for.
So we are located at 14615 West 8 Mile Road in Detroit, Michigan. Our hours of operation are Monday through Thursday, 11 to 10. Friday and Saturday,
Okay.
11 to 11. And Sunday we close because we gotta leave one day for the Lord. But we'll be open tomorrow only because we close on Christmas.
Okay. Now, this is a very special place to be. I noticed when I walked in the door, there's an eye looking at us. And can you just enlighten us?
Well, before we got this restaurant,
Yeah.
I got a dream that he was gonna bless us with a restaurant. And I'm like, okay. And it happened like a couple months after. And in the dream, he told me about this text. And he told me, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna put this, and then I'm gonna put the eyes of God. So this is the eyes of God watching over the Jamaican Pot. Because I'm very big in the Lord. When it comes to the Lord, I am strong. Because if it wasn't for Him, we wouldn't be here. And I know that for sure because I was praying when I got it. And when I got it, I didn't have no money. I started this business with $400. $400. I would go out, buy what I want, come back, and I just do it like that because they wouldn't give me a loan because for one, you have a new business, you know, they're not going to loan you the money. So what I did was I turned my $400 into, and 4 years later, we're going strong. We're on our way for our second location, so it's all about God, and that's what I'm doing this today, to give back to people who need, for the needy. You know, we're also gonna feed them. They come, they want food, we feed them, because that's what we do.
There you go, nothing beats that. Rose, to show our appreciation for you allowing us in your business today.
Okay.
This I did not get a lot, but in February when we visit your new location,
Right.
we're gonna bring you some shirts and also ready.
Okay.
So this is from Jamaica Caana.
Oh, thank
And
you.
this is where you can find us, and also this is where your video will be.
Okay.
Fair enough?
All right.
You know, Rose, I could never miss this for the world.
Thank
Go all the
you.
way from Toronto to be here today.
And I appreciate you coming down.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
Okay, so once again, folks, this thing is not about the food, it's about the service that is being rendered world over by Jamaican. And here in Michigan, in Detroit, Michigan, the Jamaican Pot is holding the Jamaican flag high. So I'd like for you to be sure to come and support that Jamaican Pot. Again, there will be another location opening in February. That I will be there for that opening. So I hope you guys.
That's gonna be amazing.
There
Because
you
the
are.
dreams and the plan for that one, it's just God. That's all I can say. I'm just gonna let God lead me
There you
wherever
are.
He wants.
Good. Now, since you've been here, this place has been so busy. You definitely need a bigger location.
Yes, we do. And we're getting a bigger one.
Yes.
Then it's gonna be a third one. And then, you know, you're just gonna, this is God. This is not me. This is all about God.
You have been blessed.
Thank you.
This is the Jamaican Pot in Detroit, Michigan. Thanks for watching.